Let's speak about Paysafe, baby! What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and today, this is what we're going to be speaking about. We're going to be speaking about Paysafe enabling online cash payments for Microsoft customers. This is a SPAC I covered a while ago. I actually included them in my top SPACs for 2021 video. I invested in them. I'm up about 20% so far. But right before we do get into that, I just want to say I hope you all had an absolutely fantastic Christmas. I got an awful lot of messages from you guys, you know, in the Discord, on YouTube, on Twitter, everywhere. I appreciate you all so much. I had an awesome day, you know, got to give people their presents. It felt really sick. And I'm so excited to be going into 2021 with all of you. This year has been insane for everybody. Thankfully, I was blessed through YouTube and I got to, you know, get to know a lot of you guys. I got to make these videos. I got to, you know, become my own boss. It's been amazing. And I am so excited to see what 2021 has in store for absolutely all of us. But anyway, on to the real topic of the video. I apologize about that. This Paysafe and Microsoft, baby. This is something you would love to see as an investor. So in today's video, we're going to cover this and why I think it makes so much sense and why I think a lot of people foresaw this happening through their investor presentation. If you did watch my initial video on them, I stressed their iGaming ecash network and, you know, it's coming to fruition now. We'll speak a little bit about the price action and, you know, what I believe is going to happen next. Do I plan on buying more in the new year? But really, I just want to understand the details of this deal. So right before we do get into the video, my friends, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? Feel free to drop me a comment down below. Are you holding these guys? Are you long on them? Are you swinging it? I'm interested. And please, my friend, if you are indeed new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button. And on that note, thank you all so much for 65,000 subs. The growth's insane this year. I appreciate you all so much. Also, if you want to join my private Discord group, that's the first link in the description. I'm going to be making some changes in there in the 1st of January, and I recommend you wait until January to sign up. But it's going to be juicy. And if you want 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description. You have to sign up, deposit $100. 2 of those are valued up to $3,700. It's easy money. It's free money. Now, with that being said, my friends, this news came out December 23rd. And well, you can see that the market reacted quite well. The following day, we went up over 4%. And we did in fact make all-time highs. So again, if you don't understand the basics of this company yet, I do have a full video speaking about them from when I initially invested, but this is all we have to speak about today. Paysafe's online cash solution, the Paysafe card, is considered ideal for those shopping on Microsoft.com and Xbox.com. So they already had a long-standing relationship with Microsoft, but now they're saying that we'll see the tech giant offer an online cash payment option to millions, yes, millions of Microsoft customers by enabling Paysafe card as a payment option in Microsoft Store in 22 countries across Europe. It's already available in 50 countries through a distribution network of more than 650,000 points of sale. And it enables consumers to use cash to shop for goods and services online. Payment transactions are completed simply and securely using a 16-digit code. That's why in their investor presentation, Paysafe say themselves, you know, it's at Gen Z, it's at millennial and underbanked customers. I bet a lot of these cards were bought over Christmas to give, you know, to kids or teenagers, people who don't have bank accounts but want to be able to buy these things online. A lot of people are gamers, you see, they have Fortnite there, Twitch, all of those kind of things. Paysafe cards can be used as an alternative to a bank account in order to buy these products. So sensitive financial data such as bank accounts or credit card details are not required in regards to these cards. So even if parents wanted to give their children money to buy these games online, they may not feel comfortable giving them the card or putting their card details into the system, they can buy them a Paysafe card. So this collaboration integrates Paysafe card as a payment option for individual purchases of digital consumer goods available through the Microsoft Store and Xbox.com. So Paysafe card CEO said, working with a technology giant like Microsoft that offers such a vast variety of hardware and software products that millions of people use every day allows us to reach an enormous new customer base. And for Microsoft, whose mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more, having this simple ecash solution as a user-friendly payments option makes it even more accessible. It makes sense. And then the director of payments at Microsoft said, we are proud to enable cash-based customers to access the world of online shopping with a solution that is as reliable, easy, and secure as Paysafe card. So guys, this is a win-win-win, okay? It's a win for Microsoft, it's a win for Paysafe, and it's a win for you and me. It's a win for the investors because it puts Paysafe in a better position overall. The more big tech giants we work with, the more places you can spend these cards, the better for us. So this is one of the main things I spoke about when I was looking at this company in the first place, okay? It was ecash, it was the world of gaming, etc, okay? Now, obviously, they're in more than ecash. You can see here, they're in a few different digital solutions. As of right now, they're the #1 iGaming ecash network. a presence in 50 plus markets, okay, including Fortnite, Twitch, Spotify, as we said. Now you will see that there's about 12 million active users here, okay. I expect that number to go up very considerably, okay, over 650,000 distribution points. But look at this, okay, the total number of volume is 5 billion. For their digital wallets, 23 billion, okay, and for their integrated processing, 75 billion. So they are the leaders in ecash right now, the literal leader, but it's still not their biggest position by far. And that's why I'm going to be very excited to see this grow. Because what's also awesome here is that their take rate is so much higher than their other two options as well, at 6.8%. compared to 1.9 and 1%. So we'll actually see that their organic revenue, okay, 318 million here off of $5 billion worth of volume. Over here, it's 441 million off of $23 billion of volume. That is why I stress so heavily that I think this is going to be such an important market for these guys going forwards. And that's why I'm so excited about, you know, this new relationship with Microsoft. Another one they also work with in regards to gaming, you will see in their investor presentation, is Roblox, okay? These guys are massive, absolutely massive, to kids in particular. To people who don't have bank accounts, who don't have credit or debit cards. To people who would have asked their parents and their grandparents for a voucher to spend on Roblox, which could now be a Paysafe voucher. There is a huge market here, my friends. Roblox is going public as well. That's only going to bring more attention to them. Now, what I do like about this company, okay, is that we didn't find out about them all that long ago, and there has been some very nice growth. I got in right here on the 8th at 12.63 a share it was, so, you know, that's my cost base is up about 20%. You will see that yesterday we actually did make all-time highs of 15.83 before pulling back just a little bit and closed the day at about 15.30. What you can actually see is we're somewhat creating this area of resistance. There's been a little bit of price action around here, somewhere around, let's say where we close, maybe 15.20 all the way up to 15.40, and there's a little bit of a gap created at 14.70 all the way up to about 15. Now if you go on to the extended hours, you know, it doesn't necessarily look unhealthy. It doesn't really look like it has to get filled in by any means, but it's really, really not a big dip whatsoever, so don't be surprised if we do come back down there. But with news coming out such as this, who knows, maybe we could. But guys, to be completely honest, I'd probably still be fairly happy to buy it at these prices. I'm only up 20%. If I want to build a long-term position, that is not a lot whatsoever. When you do look at the customers these guys are working with, when you look at Microsoft, at Roblox, at Twitch and the likes, guys, the massive names. You can see a net revenue compound annual growth rate of 27% from 2017 up to 2019. They're growing quickly. There's a $58 trillion potential total addressable market, and they are extraordinarily established, okay? I know a lot of time people think SPAC, they think risk, they think startup. This is different, my friends, and that is specifically why they were the first company I spoke with in my SPACs to watch in 2021 video. I don't think these guys are near as risky as a lot of other SPACs we play. I also don't think they're going to explode as quickly as a lot of other SPACs that we may play, but I do think the overall risk to reward ratio is one of the best that I have seen from any SPAC out there at all. But my friends, that really is what I wanted to speak about today. I don't think we need to draw it out any more than that. Again, if you want more information, I have that full video on the company. If you have watched until the end, again, you, my friend, are a true legend, and I do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and I really do hope that you had a blessed Christmas. I know, again, 2020 was a weird year, but let's just focus on making 2021 as good as possible, and I'm excited to hopefully be a part of your 2021. If you enjoyed the video, took some value, some entertainment maybe, please hit that like button. It really does help me out. Consider dropping a comment down below, and of course subscribe if you're new around here. I mean, the road to 70k is on. Every day we get that little bit closer to 100k and I can get my plaque. Imagine how juicy the plaque is going to look up on that wall. Again, if you want to join that private Discord, it's the first link in the description, but Patreon does charge the first of every month, so I recommend you wait until January. And if you do just want your 4 free stocks, that's the second link in the description, my friends. You have to sign up to Webull, deposit $100. Really is that simple. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an absolutely fantastic day. I hope the rest of the year is nice. Hope you have a few days off work. You get to see some friends and family, depending on where you are. We're back in lockdown, so can't really see anyone, but hopefully some of you guys can. I'll see you for another video very soon. Peace.